Okay, and then we take this front bumper, this metallic bar away, and there is 4 bolts, and they are easy to open, special bolts. And now I have opened all of these 4, and now I can move that. And it seems that I have to little bit, it is like stuck, and I have to little bit use my hammer next. Okay, and now we really need my excellent 5 pounds hammer. This works always from Home Depot store. And also please take also away these electric cables for horns and this cabin temperature meter. Now I have disconnected these cables already. And now I hit this carefully in here, that area, and then this part opens. Yes, this opens nicely. And there we have this steel, very durable, well made front bumper steel inner unit.